hello guys, welcome back once again. Shop Manubala Sigana Hope Korea say. Abni hamli chani asi aji gali do election time ekta ase. Aji ekdam young and energetic candidate ekta logor log paina ase. Idu do 43 TP constituency laga. Mr Geihwang, tagi log paina.
Hello, it's me, Geihwang.
Thank you so much, sir. Abni log paina khushiba first janai dia ase. Introduction Taibra nichu phawla dibo holibi. Taila naam do Geihwang ase, taido Hongphoi village la ase, aru taido new candidate ekta ase, Tapi area de Tapi constituency de contest kule ase guina. First idu janai dia ase. So apni viewers kan opore, apni details olop koi dile bala ase first.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Tinglem, for giving me this opportunity and giving me this privilege to share my thought and my feelings and my visions and my dreams to the people and my beloved brothers and sisters. And especially to the people of the world. Na dunia manu ke sob ke edo moi laga feelings, moi laga vision aru moi laga dream ekta pungchai di wale karne kwa karne bishi khushi paise. Acha moi itia ama laga brother Tinglem bro koise moi laga naam do Geihwang ase aru moi do Hongphoi busti ase aru this time 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly de moi ekta 60 seat te moi be ekta seat te contest kore ase edu seat to 43 ase tapi de contest kore ase amal laga tapi constituency de ase itia aman 15 villages ase aro aman sob tapi nutun banai dio koi kana moi inega aha manu ase itu ase moi laga dream moi laga vision ekta do ki ase koile do yes we think that politics is only mean for the old people na itu ase amalaga ekta amala concept mala idea amalaga opinion ki ase especially for the youth election koile do ai do it's only for the thak na kuno ba alop mane gundari type nale alop mane dalan type ina kan na ido kan gi politics khilo ina phamna kore and many especially youth aman youth kan do politics te bisi involve na kore but I'm telling it politics to aman hatole na paro wherever we go whatever we do it's all politics aman kotha ko abi politics khabi politics ase because the world is run by politics so we cannot escape from the politics that's why moi laga dream moi laga vision ekta ki ase koile do hoi election do ido aman tepi area de bi ekta representative Nagaland da pathole karne 1974 ba shuru korise 1974 ba shuru korine itya tak itia 49 years ase asal 50 years old ase to amande itia hoy amal laga past leaders kan I don't criticize in any manner in fact indeed I respect them na tai kan kam kori dia karne aro tefi manu ke uplift kori dia karne holy be with the passage of time na aro ajigali laga dunia laga jamana de technology ai ja ase computerized world ase the world is moving so fast na edu arne ajigali laga latest update ta man bi edu upgrade ko lage not only our vision not only a thought even our means our leader aman edu upgrade kuli or update kuli aman do age de compete kule par and I want to contribute something in our nation building edu arne edu laga vision edu la dream bramo this time do Allah tepi Allah means it's in Konyak Allah do Konyak te ase Allah means naya new na you all know so I want to make this tepi Allah tepi so it was moi laga vision dream masugal I want to build a better stronger and healthy tepi more resilient edo ekta tepi bonol monas edo kiniwa bonol paribo kole do youth kan especially the power belongs to the youth edo youth kan amando itiado amalaga power bank ase idu aman youth kan idia educated youth kan do tepi de there are many graduates na post graduate idia man bisi ase if we do not speak who else will speak for us idu arne I said let me sacrifice my time my energy my career my degree and my life for the people of Tepi it was and for the people of Konyak and for the people of Naga yes I accept it that muido ekta farmer laga samase kiti kam gura laga ama baba ido laga bacha ase But I know the suffering and I know the pain. Nah. There are many people who cannot speak out. There are many people who want to speak out, but their voice has been silent. I want to speak for those who are voiceless. Nah. Uthule na parakani mo othai do kono tase. There are many widows, there are many poor, there are many needy. And I want to reach them. And I want to represent their voice. And we are in a democratic country. We are in a democratic society. Unless we speak out, unless we say our rights, we speak out our rights, there will be no justice. Amalaga rights to napaudo. Democracy de kia se koile do amalaga rights to amalaga ki paole se itu do koi do lage do itu koile la platform de ektas itu kia se koile it's assembly as do India de parliament as state de mange assembly as itu assembly de man itu koi do lage itu do aman pongchai gana secretariat de noile aman MLA khan melai gana 60 khan ba melai gana I think as time ge itu ase ina ko Delhi tak pongchau lage ina kuli aman de amala share pavodo amala rights pavodo edorne I want to speak for those who are voiceless. I want to uplift those who cannot stand. Mula party itself is a chanda party. I'm standing in a JDO ticket. What is befitting moige people's party na chanda meanings people do you are moi this time do chi holibe public can give a request kurado. Let us not vote for money. Nah, let us vote for a cause. Honestly speaking, today I may not give anything, but I am telling to each and every people of the TP, I will present you something. The something is I will present a brighter future. I will present a better tomorrow, and especially for the youths. I want to encourage and I want to invite. And I want to request, especially the youths of Tafi, come, let us join him and build a better, a brighter, and stronger Tafi. If we do not build, then to whom we shall expect? Alak manu ahina da aman ge na banao do. Aman bray banao lagi no. Yes or no, Mr. Tingling. So aman bray itu Tafi do nutun banao lagi. Itu ane with that determination, with that zeal, this time do. I have decided. Political science emedo lumami de purise. Ito puri ke na master loi ke na moi. Aro theology purise. Theology Clark Theological College de purise. Ito puri khotam moi ke na. Moi ke bishi moi ke bhabna de aida gise. In what way can I help the poor and needy, especially the voiceless? Ito amala tapi manukan sabi. Core bole na ito. Ito amon headquarter ito ase. Aman headquarter de aman do headquarter takte aman jaka nai do aman karne. There are many peoples school de chawle pisimon holi tain bole khor nai do. Bishi manu do dimapur koima de purole mon holi financially not strong. Aro financial alak thagile be ma baba investment logole pare holi be khor bole nai do. Aro amal laga school khan idon do check kina kurawise. Moido ekta LP school de puri ke na hamanu ase. I know the test. Amala education system kini acha ase. Class 8 tak moi grammar school de puri se. Moi jane do. There are many people, many of my friend, my classmate kan do ruki jai se. Kile mane ama baba support ko na pare. Aru nichu bi alchi hui jai se. But for me, from my childhood, I promised myself, one day or someday, I'll contribute something to the building of society. In our corner, I work hard. In our corner, achi, ide moi biswas kore na moi ge moi lagai tia kiman chun support korna se. Itu han ke bi moi bishi bishi bai. Taila biswas to moi nhatao. Taila biswas to I will not put them in vain. Itu moi la dream ekta se. Do one day, tapi do nutun tapi do panamo koi na moi mondas ido mondo moi klawa na parbo tui aro many youths na aman ekta mili ke nai unless we sing a one song, unless we have a one dream, unless we have a one goal, we cannot able to bring a change. I never say that I alone can bring a change. I alone can make Allah happy. That is new happy. I said, let us make Allah happy. I said, come, let us join hands together and build a better, stronger happy. And we can build one day. And the one day is on 27th of this February. That one day will decide the fate of the happy. Eduarne Kimanjun, Edia Tingle Muchin Gasaiganase. It is so request Korease. Tapi Manu no Helebe. Allah constituency the Helebe. Moral support pra Korebi Motos Korebi. Prayer pra support Korebi. So that this year will be the significant year. This year will transform and reform our society. Sabi, Amal Latafi Busti Khange. Ekta Jagade Busti the Pal Rasta Naido. Ekta Jagade school Khan Mele healthcare facilities. Public welfare scheme Pal Naido. Edu the kun agida lojavolo. Edu kun kowa lagibo. It is us. Edu this time 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly uthado. Public laga awas, chanda laga awas, koi matak loi jawle karne utha laga.
Tuition apni kita koisi mahan reflect kuri ase, practically mahan experience kuri ase, key experience kuri ase itu sob apni koi losi de. So viewers kan kiman ase ta youngsters kan bi motivate kurna thakibo goina ala constituency de thakilibi. Etia mahan constituency de kun ase ta kan debi etia positive way de ta kan bhavna kuru goina hope right to janai di ase. Like it is a short question ekta duda hoti da.
Chalo.
Like for example, in short apni koi sugure. Like kita amni ke itu bhavna aise moi contest kuro gaina election de contest kuro gaina
moi election de contest kuro gaina since from my very young age
na itu kinya time de ki bhavna
moi one day moi ke ek din bishi pani gerise it's a summer khiti kam gori thakise moi ke bishi thanda aise kapi jaise I cannot bear hole moi la friend kan I go in a man. I Mulaga friend can peers group. It do Charina Mukla Polo on a paredo. It don't Mukam Kurita is Olive Mula Kitija Malik Lamavra Tikise. To visit Handawisi. To Joy Jolena Boitagi. And I wish. To Joy Jolena Boitagi, Quadem de Mukorages. Corena Joy Jolese Buis. To I feel sleep. I sleep away. And now Kurna Utise. Utha time de do a lot of time to chase. Idu time the moi papis. I have to become someday I have to become someone. And unless I have the farmer, unless I have the poor, in a hotai pui labra forefathers were predominantly amando kiti kam gurinase. We have to change our system.
Yes.
Idu la di makektais. Itu kininga pariwo mo itu portion ekta ise tu kitab pi pariwo lage lagati magekta ise ena kona kitab purise ena kona class 10 pass hoise class 10 pass hoina mo alop piu de purise puri ke na mo itu time de decision ekta loise I will study political science because public laga awas loi ja do politician kan bai loi ja do
yes
representative ekta bai loi ja do itu loi jawale karne politics to bishi essential ase bishi necessary ase dorne moi politics purise graduate thoise I graduate to ajikali laga jamna de graduate to kam nai edorne and maybe purbo master degree lo kana pol science master degree loise and now korna I have an interest in politics and now korna politics the interest bishi thagise hoy edorne Manu koi tu politics interest holi thuli ju kila purisi ido question ai but I said it is written in Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 na first seek the kingdom of God and everything shall be added unto you I want to seek first the kingdom of God whatever I do wherever I go ena korna phamna kurise isor ke kundo rasta dekhabo itu chabo koi na moi strong determination loise ena korna politics te kusado moi any manu kushi ase manu jai ase moi someday moi gari tangor gari the police kan aigena moi guard korina itula ambition ba jana ek tin do kam koribo moi government school de LP school de GMS te pura dem de moi la sati khanis na bishi manu etia na puri na rupi jaise ina khan etia bi bishi ase do bacha khan itu khan aro farmers kan moi kiti kam kori thakan me duk kura dem de nisni itu nisna amal laga tapi laga ching ha busti de 15 villages this etia bi kiti kam kori na kam ina khaya ase do
yes
so I want to change their na kiti kam na kuro kwala kota na holy be I want to change the system I want to change our living standard it was it are ne moi political concept ahado kali anai posung anai pacha time ba moi inanga thaga laga se inanga kori gena aha laga se strong moi determination chabo koina lo ado 2021 de moi inaga chala ase hey 2023 the election ase I have to have a 3 years planning 21 22 23 the election jaw koina 21 ba koya suru hoise 21 the pura busti de parise but holy be ENPO laga restriction alop thaise idu time the alop pause korise ena korna aro this time aro ena korna aro suru hoise itu ase
acha sir idea like apni one sentence ko de you know question to beshi short pala itu for example the period itia lag phalo ina apni la bhapna eta nisna itu la jaga paisu bile this time election de jitiu parisu bile first development apni itu pongjao laga to ki ko paro
itia moi pongjao lela to infrastructure palo lage communication palo lage when communication is good everything become automatically developed puila laga jamana debi Roman empire time debi then the first focus is road connectivity thaigo lage
yes very much
itia Chinese itia China as expansion jaise Belt and Road Initiative jaise noi hone ne idu kile every road should lead to the Beijing China the pungcho lage do ina korili development aibo do
yes route first I civilities of development do
yes.
let's say to question
human development infrastructure development that is road connectivity
yes
edu thaigo lage
itu beshi manu ra bhapna gora hi koise de
acha
road laga itu I civil ki ma bhaso manu rasta na bongdi na eta mahan du plus yun thaka na stop la wi se aro ekta ho like beshi manu ra do eta apni thili jam ekta ase na aro kita politician koise beshi manu ra public khan to youngsters khan na buja thake like itu do alag feel ase itu bhapna kore de so apni itu ki line de connect koribo paro ta kana bole
leadership to Bhagwan purchase kore and especially as a Christian amal laga sob manu ko kit Bible do puro lage do hona na and I am the from the humble background ama ba do church te kam kore na tang wala se still from a childhood edorne isur laga kotha pura do moi ai alak manu alak kam na kor lage wherever I go whatever I do moi laga biswas ekta ase moi manuge charity kam koribo manuge madat koribo itu do it is written in the Matthew chapter 5 no sermon of the mount kun dukhya manuge madat koribo itu gi so bless koribo na itu arne moi ahado hoy itia kwan is na it's very contradictory theologian ase to politics te kile kosis the right question ase holy be there's no laws there's no such law na a theologian should never join politics a politician should never study a theology it was do
yes
it warne moi theology ase hoy I am a theologian to moi theologian holy be politics te involve kora do moi biap kam gorole janoi do phal kam korna for the humanity for the humankind at first moi human service people's business people's service laga itu ase itu arne moi politics te itu join kore ase
thank you so much guys repeat korle na de beshi bhalo ta hi beshi explain kori di ase so like last question
okay
be the change
surely
sob manu itu hoy be the change koi de so but practically mohandi to happen na kore youngsters kan khunado khuni change to ki ase itu to buje so be the change laga point amni ta handi ki koi do
everyone wants to make a change. Nah, some manu to change like it. But in literal sense, nobody is trying to make a change. Itu ase. Itu kini ka kule, especially the young and educated kan. Itu kan do ama baba tai kan do kitab puranai. Tai kan do manu laga dunia jamna kina ase na jane. A folk in a valley boy thai se. Itu ane tu kan kitab puri bidai. Aro dunia manu kina jaya se itu dunia jaya bidai koi kena patai se. Huili bi kitab puri na korai ege na ama baba ke education na deba. Dunia ini jaya se na koi do. We become blind followers.
Yeah.
So especially youth kan ama baba ko lage. It is time. A time has come for us to make a change, to make a difference. It cannot be in a verbal. It can only be put into action. And then only change, we can see a change. Unless we put into action, the change will never come.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Ekdam phone interview loishi. Like viewers can be bishi appreciate kuna, amni kan bishi listen learn kuna thakyo kuna hope kuri ase moi yate buhi na bishi learn kuna. Eta to bishi heavy jai ase de movie. So guys, like Taiba go first. Allah tapi bonaule mahane kilo try kuro guys. Allah tapi gole Muslim isna bhamna na kori. Allah go to konyak kotha bra new go ase kuna. Amni han over viewers kan over to be clarify kuri dias. Allah the people now karne to mahan cooperate kulo hobo go ase seva ko do ta ekla bra parala na hoi kuli mahan cooperate kuna 1 kilo milina do nutun taka to create kuro parbo go ase aro tai bra koi di ase like theologians and politician itu to as theologian ekta hoi kina politician hoina itu jaga bra bi manu ki modot kuro paro isola kam do alak angle do puri kuri kina manu uthai dule jaga ase itu bi gona tai bra koi dia mahan bujiu pare ase last but not the least be the change sop manu koi will be tai ko ase let us be the change, let us put kurigina be the change to ending part of words to thali digina ma sop manu kilo kam guri shigule to brighter future to mala hatte ase de gona or especially youngsters kam koi di ase like apni puri ase likhi ase you are intellectual educated ko do like ma baba koi likha pora manu hobi phal manu hobi that means hosa kotha ko bi ko ase do mahan hosa kotha ko le shuru hoise bole to change ase gona say laga explanation de beshi bhal listen eta learn gushile gona itu jan idea say thank you so much sir aro like apni next schedule tight ase will be like apni respect kora etia moi ge aro moi ge main do moi la kotha noi gena viewers kan moi la youngsters kan mohan laga apni la youngsters kan kiman ase mohan constituency de itu kla no konyak te na ga de itu khan manu opor listen bishi dangor din amni bi precious time dise ninga busy schedule ase na खुशी बाय से महिला साइड प्रॉब्लम बेस ऑफ लक
I thank you so
बिशी बेस विश करा जन आइडिया से प्रे गुना मदद करबो आरो होप करे थाकियो फाल दिन
thank you
thank you so much
okay thank you এতিয়া মই কথা কোৱাটো দেখি লৈছে শুনি লৈছে এদৰণে সব মানুহ সাপোৰ্ট কৰিবি আৰু তাই লাগা ভিডিও দেবি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবি এনা কোনে তাইকে সাপোৰ্ট কৰিবি আৰু মইকে প্ৰাৰ্থনা দে মদত কৰিবি আৰু মোৰ সাপোৰ্ট হতাই দি থাকিব হয় না কৈ দিয়া আছে thank you so much